DN65. Seawater. Fire hydrant. Valve. Dismantling this valve is not easy in every bolt and nut. You have to remove the paint. This valve is made of brass, rust-proof. Marking is needed. Air gun is very useful for cleaning. This is the valve set. Looks like stone rusted. This is the base. It has damage. The reason for leakage. Must clean the base. Cleaning is easy if you have this power tool. You need to clean the valve set for to make sure it is in good condition. In this method, I have to use vernier, caliper, because I will make a shoe for the valve set. This is the round TEPLON 110. Need to cut this. This is the perfect length. The size of shoe TEPLON is 7/8 outside diameter. (78 outside diameter). (68 inside diameter). You need to put the valve set for exact measurement. Exact measurement is needed for no play. I used aluminum rod to lock this shoe TEPLON. This is the shoe TEPLON. This is the solution for valves set to last, durable and easy maintenance. water and air for pressure test. Pressure test. No leak. Dry and perfect.